Here is a quick tutorial on how to add video to WordPress sidebar. For regular WordPress users, it's an easy task. Yet many people keep asking how to go about. First, why would you need a video on the sidebar? Well, if you have something that talks about your credentials, what you can do to help others, or an affiliate product you are selling, surely you'd like that video right at the top of the sidebar widgets. Now, how to go about? So the first step is to copy the URL. This is a YouTube video. It can be any video URL from any video host or a video hosted in the media library on your website. Now going over to your WordPress dashboard, hover to Appearance, then Widgets. So you come to the Widgets page. Here, scroll down the page to where the video widget is available. All you do is drag it onto the widget area of the blog sidebar. I am placing it at the top of the sidebar. You can have it below the other widgets. Now this widget is empty. So let me click here, and on this dialog box I will click on Insert from URL and paste the YouTube URL here. As I click this blue button, Add to Widget, the video is added to the sidebar. The last step is to save the widget settings. That's all. The video is added to the sidebar and it is ready to be played. This is the right sidebar. What about adding video to the left sidebar? Well, it's the same steps. Here on this blog, I temporarily place the video at the top of the left sidebar, as you can see on your screen. That's all there is to this lesson. Thanks for watching.